وَمَا الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا مَتَاعُ الْغُرُورِ. This life is but a deceiving pleasure. Why it is an obstacle in my path to Allah? If it is an obstacle, why did He put me here then? Don't say to test. No, you missed it. Because when I say Allah put me in a place to test me, indirectly I'm saying Allah is not Rahim. But when I get the test, I said, Ya Allah, there is a mercy in this test. It's a test. But He didn't put me here to test me. He didn't say it. He didn't say it. You know what one of the saints, I can say, said about this dunya? He said, الدنيا مزرعة الآخرة. This life is the farm for the hereafter. You plant, and then you will get it there. How will I go to Jannah if there is no dunya? Have you ever thought of it? How will I go to Jannah? Right? Where will I worship Allah? Where will I practice patience? Where will I obey Him? Where will I fail? And then turn to Him and ask for repentance. So don't look at dunya in this way. Look at dunya as my opportunity. It's my training course. It's the certificate I will get, so I get promoted. But where is the problem? Is when this course takes me away from the certificate. This is when the dunya becomes the issue.